Hi everyone, and welcome back. So here is another unboxing of something that I ordered in the last couple of months, but never got around to unboxing, which is typical. Yeah, so this is BTS 4th MUSTER. This is their DVD set, not Blu-ray this time. This was DVD. It's mostly sold out pretty much everywhere. I think I managed to get it from one of these smaller stores online, but yeah, cannot wait to open it up. It's a very peachy and very colorful. I'm absolutely living for this photo, for like rainbow colors. So let's see. I love unboxing old BTS stuff just because I love seeing their older photos. This is a transparent one. This is super cute. Okay. I have seen parts of this MUSTER when they were doing the, what was it called? Bang Bang Con. Not the live version, but the one in which they streamed all of their concerts. So yeah. But I do not know what is inside. So let's see. Turn this way. Aww. Such a baby. I'm sorry about the shadows, but it's getting dark. So, okay, so this is the DVDs themselves. Also very colorful. Memory clouds, okay. So cute. And what is this? Probably like a photo book or something? I don't know if there are going to be any photo cards. Let's see, I think there is something inside. Oh yeah, there is something like... Is this a photo card? Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. Is this Jungkook? Dear Lord. He's dressed as a carrot. I think this is the first time ever that I pulled Jungkook in any BTS merch. Well, there's gonna be first for something, right? Oh, there's something else in here. What is this? Oh, it's just a photo. The one that is at the front as well. Super cute. I like that they look so bright. Okay. This is the photo book. Ah, cannot wait to watch it because, like I said, I only watched parts of it. Aww, that's so cute. I'm very happy. Very happy, and this is just a hilarious photo. Like, you cannot even see who this is. Is that Jin? I have a feeling that's Cookie on one side and Jin on the other. That's pretty cool. Okay, so I'll put this back. Put this back, and these two at the top. There we go. That was very quick. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you next time. I wish I could show it off the way so that I could see this picture because it's super cute. Okay, bye.